Hi everyone, hope you are enjoying the holiday season. If you haven't found a perfect gift for you, your friends or your family, here is one option. Leica, the German camera company, just announced last week that they are introducing a Lego set of their M camera. And the Leica store Miami is taking pre-orders and they are selling $45 a set. Sounds expensive to me, but it's a Leica. You would expect that to be expensive. But anyway, the good news is that you can actually build the camera by yourself if you have all the pieces. Here's how you do it. The instruction manual is actually available online by a guy called Chris McVeigh. I'll provide a link down below. You can check it out. He has a lot of different Lego sets you can build yourself. I believe he's a photographer too. So I found the menu and I dig through my kids' Lego inventory. It probably took me a day to find all the pieces I needed for the camera. And then it only took my son 15 minutes to build it. It's a very cute little camera. Although I don't have exactly the same pieces as they are selling for the set, at least I got pretty much everything I need. The colors may look different, but that's fine. It's a DIY project. I'm happy about it. It even has a viewfinder you can look through. Hope you enjoy this video and make that Leica camera for yourself. The downside of DIY projects that you couldn't get the custom pieces. They have two dials on the camera, one on the back, one on the top. Those are custom print pieces, and you couldn't get that directly from Lego. So you can only get that through that kit. But for $45, that's your choice. You can pay $45 to get those two pieces, or you can make a DIY. It's much cheaper and still you get that nice looking little camera on your shelf. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I hope to provide more videos next year, and I'll see you next week in Finland.